Today we are revealing our theme for 2023. Hi, I'm Jess from Sallie Tomato. Welcome to the new year and new beginnings. I am so excited to reveal the theme for 2023, but before we do that, if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, and we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any videos. Each year we choose a theme and incorporate new pattern releases and fabrics to follow along with the theme. To recap 2022, we featured the Around the World series, which launched patterns that were perfect for traveling around the world, and we used fabrics that were created by designers from around the globe. This year there has been so much planning behind the scenes to develop new patterns, design special fabrics, and plan a full year of sewing and inspiration for you guys. So without further ado, the theme for this year is Time Warp. Be prepared to sew through the decades and create projects that are inspired by certain time periods. Our timeline begins during the Renaissance period, and towards the end of the year, we will lead up to a project that has a futuristic aesthetic. So like I mentioned, we'll have a lot of brand new pattern releases, so look for the logo in the bottom corner of the video so that way you know you're watching one of the pattern tutorials designed specifically for this year's Time Warp theme. This week we launched two new video tutorials called Fogg and Phileas. The Fogg pattern features a petite bag which slides onto a belt, or you can attach a handle or adjustable strap for extra versatility. Pair this pattern with the perfect belt pattern or the Phileas tote bag pattern. And the Phileas pattern features a tote that can be carried by the handles, worn crossbody, or over the shoulder, and it accommodates a belt as an extra accessory. We specifically designed the Fogg belt bag pattern to fit perfectly on the Phileas tote. Pack your daily essentials inside this bag's roomy interior. The inspiration for this travel-ready pattern came from Around the World in 80 Days character Phileas Fogg. Both of these patterns are available now, and you can find them by clicking the link in the description box below. We hope that you'll join us all year long for this pattern series and have a great year ahead.